Good morning. We discuss about this use of these V labs. Myself, Professor Kamtana DC, from the Department of Microbiology, Sri Guru Buddhi Swami College, Purna. These V labs are the virtual labs, and this is the initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development through the National Mission of Education through the ICT. This is the laboratory experiments performing tool, and the students can avail the different experimental tools by using the various videos, then animated experiments, then demonstrations. They can self-evaluate by using these V labs. These students perform the experiments by using the computer interface. This is the computer-based activity through which the students can perform the experiments. The students can use the simulations to get the result. For touch and feel activity, the students can use the virtual labs to get the results. For this, type this Chrome, that is vlabs.iitb.ac.in. This is the virtual lab of this IIT Bombay, and press enter. This sites open, and this is the IIT Bombay virtual lab, and there are the click on these labs and you get the disciplines and domains. Select the discipline biotechnology and this biomedical engineering, and in this there are various labs as bioinformatics virtual lab 1, bioinformatics virtual lab 2, bioinformatics virtual lab 3, systems biology virtual lab, computer aided drug design virtual lab, ecology virtual lab, biological image processing virtual lab, bio inspired robotics virtual lab. This is remote triggered. These are the various labs, and click on this biochemistry virtual lab 1, and in this there are the various experiments are there as qualitative analysis of carbohydrates, isoelectric precipitation of proteins casein from the milk, quantitative estimation of amino acids by ninhydrin, separation of amino acids by thin layer chromatography. These are the experiments in the biochemistry lab. And there are various disciplines as there as immunology virtual lab 1, immunology virtual lab 2. Click on this immunology virtual lab 1. Here these are the experiments: collection of serum from the blood, blood grouping experiment, latex agglutination, indirect ELISA, direct ELISA, ELISpot assay, antibody labeling with HRP, extraction of IgG antibodies from immunized hen egg, isolation of lymphocytes from whole blood. Then in the immunology virtual lab 2, these are the experiments. Then microbiology virtual lab 1, in this these are the experiments: Gram-Stain technique, aseptic technique, and the transfer of microorganisms, stick plate method, motility test, catalase and coagulase test, lecithinase test, bacterial growth curve, carbohydrate fermentation test, differential and cytological staining techniques, antibiotic susceptibility testing, methylene blue reductase test. Then this microbiology virtual lab 2, Voges-Prosker test, triple sugar iron agar urease test, litmus milk test, slide culture technique for fungi, bacteriophage plaque assay for phage titer, isolation and identification of absotrophic and drug resistant mutants, isolation of and identification of to bacterial unknowns, routes of viral inoculation in embryonated eggs, 16S ribosomal RNA sequencing, then molecular biology virtual lab. These are the experiments: preparation of buffer stocks, plasmid isolation, extraction of DNA from fish fins, hot shot method of DNA extraction, agar gel electrophoresis, restriction digestion, maintenance and storage of DH5 alpha E. coli cells, preparation of competent cells, calcium chloride treatment in this, transformation of the host cells, extraction of DNA from agar gel, and this is the molecular biology virtual lab 2, preparation of equilibrated phenol, isolation of RNA, polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis, ligation, polymerase chain reaction, electroblotting, plating of the bacteriophage, plasmid curing, extraction of bacteriophage DNA from large-scale cultures using proteinase K and SDS, preparation of stocks of bacteriophage lambda by plate lysis and elution. These are the experiments. We discuss about the simple experiment, that is gram staining technique. Click on this gram staining technique and you get the different points as theory, procedure, self-evaluation, animation, simulator, assignment, references, feedback. These are the points. First click on this theory. These are the objectives. This is the principle. Importance of gram stain. These are the gram positive bacteria, gram negative bacteria, bacterial morphology. The common morphologies are capsule, bacillus, spirillum. This is the theory, and this is the gram stain mechanism. It is there. Then we click on this procedure, and here the materials required. This is the list. Then reagents required: primary stain, mordant, decolorization, secondary stain, and procedure. First part, preparation of the glass microscopic slide. Next part, labeling of the slides. Third part, preparation of the smear. Number 4, heat fixing. And here the part 5, gram staining procedure is given. And another point it is there, that is self-evaluation. These are the questions, and these questions must be solved, and this gives that the candidate, if it is getting the experiment or not. The gram stain differentiates between bacteria is based on the composition of their, these are the options: nucleus, mitochondria, cell membrane, and cell wall. What happens when under decolorized? These are the options: all cells appear pink, all cells appear blue, gram negative appear purple, gram positive appear pink. These are the questions. The students can solve these questions and they get the experiment, and the clear concepts of the students are there. They can clear their concepts by solving these quiz type of these questions. MCQ it is there, and they can also use they can see the animations, and this for this Adobe Flash Player, it is downloaded and this must be logged in. These are the points in which the students can study the experiment by using the computer based activity. This is the computer based activity and this is the virtual lab. Thank you for your listening.